It's an exciting time to be at Mobile World Congress. This is why we built the first mobile phone with an MP3 player and the first phone with a built-in camera. At Samsung, we believe it's time for a new kind of phone, not just a great smartphone that takes good pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
But we don't use our phones like this so much anymore. We use them like this. We've created a design so sleek and unified, you can hardly tell where the screen ends. And as always, there's no notch. We've also refined the back of the phone, and it's as beautiful as the front. So take the fingerprint scanner, for example, which we all know is one of the most popular ways that we like to unlock our phones, which is why we didn't get rid of it. Instead, we listen carefully to your feedback, and we move the fingerprint scanner directly below the camera, where it's even easier to reach naturally. So for those of you here in Barcelona, I'd ask you to take off your unpacked badges and hold them in front of you, face up. What's going to happen is your badge is going to transform into the Galaxy S9 right there in your hands. Now, in case you haven't figured it out yet, you can flip over your badge, and now you can look at the back of the phone. Now, when you do this, this is when you need to check out all the colors. So at the bottom, you can select colors, pick your favorite one. Of course, you've got to check out the lilac purple.
We turn into an incredibly powerful image capturing tool. The human eye. See, the eye naturally adapts to different lighting situations. When it's bright out, your pupils shrink down. When it's dark, they get larger. If they didn't, you'd either be blind as a bat at night or blinded by the sun during the day. And yet, that's how most smartphone cameras have worked. Until now. The Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. The camera will automatically use a smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. Everyone loves slow-mo. With super slow-mo, you can record videos at an incredible 960 frames per second. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Just look at that difference. All I do is open up the camera, go to super slow-mo, and in 3, 2, 1, go. How cool is that? How cool is that? You can use dual aperture, multi-frame processing, and super slow-mo on both the S9 and S9 Plus cameras.
Now, it seems like we're always searching for new ways to personalize the messages we write. That's how we got emoticons. Remember those? And then we had emojis. And then even more emojis. Now, you can use either your front or back camera to map your unique facial features and expressions and create emojis that actually look like you. It's amazing, right?
So, all we do is open up the camera, go to AR emoji, create my emoji, and now use the front-facing camera to take a photo. It's actually as simple as taking a selfie. Just remove my glasses so it gets a clear view of my face. And there it is.
Nice.
All right, wait. It's a bit generous with the hair. But no worries.
And if you don't want to create your own emoji, you can use some of the other familiar faces, including one of the world's biggest celebrities. He's got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and he's been a titan of the industry for over 8 decades. That's right, it's Mickey Mouse. Here in Barcelona, Bixby would be a real lifesaver for me. So first, open up the camera, then I choose Bixby, then you select text search. I wonder what bacalao al horno could be. You hold it up, and Bixby will translate it for me live. Baked cod. Sounds good.
We all know Barcelona is a stunning city, and it never looks better than when viewed through the screen of an S9. Vivid colors, gorgeous details. This is a screen that really pulls you inside. But for a truly immersive viewing experience, the sound has to be amazing too. The S9 features speakers on both ends of the device. They're the loudest ever in a Galaxy phone. Loudest ever! Loud. Well, we've brought that feeling to the S9 with Dolby Atmos. The S9 is powered by one of the most advanced chipsets on the market, which means you can get speeds faster than gigabit LTE. Our home screen now supports horizontal orientation. So when you're switching between apps, you don't have to keep flipping your phone around. So, at Samsung, we're constantly improving the entire multitasking experience. Now, when you get a notification, you can just drag it down and open it in a new window, right on top of the current one. So you can respond to a message without interrupting the video you're watching. The S9 comes equipped with fast wireless charging, the key word being fast, so you can get a quick, convenient charge without worrying about chords.
And thank you all so much for joining us. You can check it out starting on March 16th when it's available in retail stores. Thank you.